how to get higher forms in Voidpet dungeon. So void pets normally evolve through standard evolution stages. Over here we have an example of a higher form, which is greed. They are something above the normal evolutions, special and more powerful versions, and which you need to spend evolution items on. So the higher forms exist as special variants that are rare and distinct from the usual evolution levels. So over here you should be able to see how to get the materials. So you could get higher farms by using vivid unlock items, especially higher tier mushrooms. If you don't have these void pets first, of course you're gonna have to claim them using mystery eggs, but that is the common one, so you should be able to get this. For the evolution items, there are chests that you should be able to get by waiting a certain amount of period of time, and eventually you'll have enough to actually evolve your void pets. Just go ahead to the specific one you want to evolve and you should be able to see the amount you need. Over here you have the egg thingies, and of course by evolving it's gonna make you reach closer to the higher form, or basically the highest form, the specific void pet you're going for. But that's pretty much how you get the higher forms in void pets. You use vivid items on the void pets, spend vivid dust as well, and then participate in events that boost odds of higher form outcomes. So the higher forms act as a reward for investment and rare resource use. They're not actually part of the standard evolution path, but they do add depth and collectability above stage 5 evolution. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.